Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Stone Douglas. He's the chairman and CEO of Hypha Labs. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is DIGP on the OTC, and Hypha Labs will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase, taking place April 30th through May 2nd, 2024 in Las Vegas at the Paris Hotel and Casino. For more information, to meet Stone, to do a one-on-one, see his presentation, I invite you to register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Stone, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Thanks, Robert. Doing fine.
All right. Well, it's great to have you on here, and thank you again for presenting at our event coming up here in a little bit. This is our first time doing an interview together, so can you give us that quick overview and history of Hypha Labs?
Sure. Hypha Labs, we changed our name from DigiPath. We were a Las Vegas-based cannabis laboratory. We sold the assets earlier this year to another lab, and we've received a lot of money, and we've pivoted to a different business. We renamed ourselves Hypha Labs and have embarked on that business, and look forward to being able to tell you about it.
Well, maybe you can give me a little taste of it right now. Tell me, what is the new business now?
So we've had, obviously, we have a lot of experience in the cannabis market, and we have found a market that is going to duplicate the cannabis market, in our opinion, anyway. And we think we're uniquely situated to deal with it because we've dealt so much with the cannabis side. Hypha Labs is revolutionizing the way that consumers and commercial enterprises can produce high-quality psilocybin and other functional mushroom ingredients. So that's we don't only focus on things that some people may not like, but microdosing psilocybin is something that is going to be very helpful going forward, and doctors use quite a lot for it. PTSD and other things. So anyway, so that's what we're doing now. We've changed our name. We will change our symbol as soon as FINRA gives it to us. But until then, we're Hypha Labs, trading under the symbol DIGP.
Very good. So what would you say makes this technology unique and different compared to maybe some other companies that kind of also recognize the same thing? It's like, okay, there's a trend, psilocybin, maybe there's ways to optimize, certain ingredients within the mushroom and whatnot. So curious as to basically what makes it unique and different compared to some of your peers out there.
Sure. We've developed so there are a number of other people who deal with psilocybin, but most of them are totally medical, and they're looking to create new drugs. But that is not who we are. We developed a cutting-edge technology focused on revolutionary methods of producing the active ingredients found in functional mushrooms, such as psilocybin, using its patent-pending bioreactor design. So our bioreactors are going to be available for both consumers and commercial large-scale operations. We expect to be able to hopefully sell by the end of the year a bioreactor for a few $100s that you can use in your home, like a Keurig, where we will sell you every month on a subscription basis something that will allow you in 8 days to produce the active ingredients in an easy form to digest functional mushrooms. So psilocybin, lion's mane, all sorts of different mushrooms. You don't grow the mushroom, you actually grow it inside a container, but it is perfectly organic, it's perfectly natural. And natural is important because you then get the entourage effect as you're used to in cannabis, because it's not just people getting high or getting whatever else. There are all sorts of other things that go around it. So nobody else is doing that at the moment. So certainly not any public company that I know of. So it'll allow you in your own home to make the active ingredients that you would want to use, whether it's lion's mane or whether it's psilocybin or anything else. It's perfectly legal, and for us to do this, and I think it's going to give everyone an opportunity to partake in something that's really important.
So Stone, what's your background prior to becoming CEO of Hypha Labs?
I was also the chairman and CFO at DigiPath. I've reorganized and been the CEO of maybe 35 companies in the last 40 years, which either means that I can't hold a job or I've been involved in a lot of different things. And I'm just used to trying to make a company successful. and I've done it, as I said, quite a number of times.
And Stone, final question for you here today. From what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the goals that you'd like to see achieved here in 2024 with Hypha Labs?
Well, we hope to be manufacturing and selling the bioreactors by the fall. We hope to get a good following before that so that people will also understand that we're doing and look forward to the subscription-based model that we're planning on having. I obviously, we're a public company, so I can't really give any numbers.
All right. Well, Stone, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Hyphalabs?
Hyphalabs.com. And I suggest they come to your show.
Yeah, we'll take them. Anyways, listen, we want people to as much exposure to the microcap space as possible. That's our MO. Well, with that, Stone, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I'll see you in Vegas.
You got it. Thank you.
Thank you.